Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and reviews, makeup, skincare, that kind of thing. So today I have Macy's, and I just love Macy's box. It is a inexpensive box, and you get to try some really, really cool stuff. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, do the thing. And to my winners, your stuff will be going out probably tomorrow, just in the next couple of days. I finally have it ready to go. So just it's coming. And we have reached 200, so that means there will be another giveaway. But I want to, and what I'm thinking about doing is, because I've noticed in the comments people are like, first, I'm first. Like, I might take the ones who are commenting over the next so many videos. If you're first, then you're going to be the winner. So I keep in that spirit of like, I'm the first to comment, because I love it. I absolutely love it. So, all right, let's unbox this. And I would also want to say I'm wearing uh, the Dior Luminous Silk, and I have fallen in love, and I got it from Macy's. So I'm going to have to do just a review on it. Actually, I've been working the last couple of days, 10-hour days, but it's so I have a weekend off. I got today off, and I'll have the weekend off. All right, so here we go. Oh, wow, okay. Ew, what's this? This is why I love this box, because it's like $16, I think. This looks like a whole... Already struggling. Why don't I keep... Oh, there it is. It's always closed, but I always think that it's nowhere near me. Okay. What is this? Okay. Oh, okay. Cryotherapy facial instructions. What? What the what? Oh, is that one of those sucker things that you put? What in the world is this? There's just this. That's it. Okay, so cryotherapy facial instructions. Before using the facial ice mold, make sure to clean it thoroughly with soap and water, rinse it well, and dry it completely. So I'm just going to have to look up. Honest to goodness, the way that this was in like that bag, like it looked like it was a foundation or something. Okay, so you fill this with ice. I'll have to let you know about this. I don't, okay. All right. B Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. Okay. So there's that. Oh, no way. I finally got it. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I said not too long ago that out of all the boxes that I've got, I've never got a lip injection kind of thing. Like, I finally got one. Awesome. And it's Too Faced. Like, if I was going to get one, that's what I've bought. So this is cool. I mean, it's just little, but usually stuff like this a little bit goes a long way. I have been dying really to try this. I just don't. I've tried a couple, like Truly has one, and I just never really, I don't know, it was like peppermint, and like there's, like you get the little tinglies, but I'm not getting anything. Like I don't know, and it's extreme. So I don't know. We'll see. Because I have the thinnest lips. I really do. Like, the bottom's not that bad, but the top. Okay, next is Fame Parfum and Phantom Parfum. I have got so many perfumes right now, and I don't like them. Ooh, Caudalie. Oh my gosh. I want to try their serum so bad. So this is the Vino Pure. It's a purifying gel cleanser. So yay. I've really been wanting to try this brand. And I've almost pulled the trigger a couple of times. I just haven't. That double clearance serum, it looks amazing. And that is by Caudalie, right? I think so. Okay, 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. You know I'm not going to do nothing with that. And last but not least, another Tarte lip cream. So another lippy. That's cool. I have so many lip products right now too. It's insane. I have got to get rid of some of this stuff. I do. If I didn't have to pay for packaging, like I would be sending all of you guys just here, take it. So that's really pretty. I want to try it too. Ooh. What did I have on? I didn't have on my Il Maquillage. What did I have on? I can't remember. Like, I've been wearing the heck out of that Tom Ford that I got. But I noticed on the videos, it's a little dark. So, I wanted... Oh, I know. I wore the Kylie brown. Like, I got a couple of the Kylie lip kits a while back. And they're not bad. Yeah, they're not bad. I liked getting, like, the set. But one color I really liked, it was a nude color. And that's what I was wearing. But, I mean, you're really not going to be able to tell exactly because I put on the lip injection. Had on the Kylie, then that, and then the Tarte. So, but that is, like, look at the, like, it is really, I mean, that's a good name, cream. Because it is really creamy. So this is why I love the Macy's box. Like, you get such a variety of really cool things. They might be sample size, but look at Ipsy. Like, Ipsy I think is 12, 13, and you get all sample sizes. And sometimes they're good, but like this, everything is really, really good. So the only thing that I'm kind of questioning is the ice roller thing. I don't know. We'll see. Usually it doesn't come with, yeah, it comes with one of those. But another cool thing is, like, the box is only like 15 or 16 bucks, and then you get to use $5 at Macy's. And Macy's has become one of my new spots. Like I said, I got the Dior and I got a MAC. That's what I'm wearing today. I don't know. I need to get some makeup classes. I've always told you guys I am not a makeup artist. I just love makeup, and I know that I need some serious, like, I just don't have the hand for it like some people do. So I watch videos and they make it look so easy. Like, it looks so easy, and I just can't. I'm just not that. I don't know. Like, the base and stuff I can do, but whenever it comes to the eyes, like, I just, for some reason, I have so many palettes and so many, and I think with every new palette that it's going to be the end all. Like, the Charlotte Tilbury, the cream ones, that helped a little bit, but like, I just can't do makeup as well as, you know, I wish I could. All right. I'm rambling, so I'm going to shut up now, and I think I've said everything that I need to say. Just, you know, like, subscribe, comment, that whole thing, and I will see you guys in the next. So, bye.